Here's how Pakistani guys say I love you without saying it. Do you have a boyfriend na hindi nagsasabi ng I love you, or meron ka namang boyfriend na lagi naman nagsasabi ng I love you? Maybe you're confused kung bakit yung boyfriend mo, pinapakita naman niya yung mga acts of service, acts of love niya, pero hindi siya nagsasabi ng I love you. Minsan nagiging cause siya ng doubt mo kasi, bakit nga ba hindi siya nagsasabi ng I love you? Yung isa naman, puro I love you. Totoo ba na talagang mahal ka kasi lagi nagsasabi ng I love you? Anyway, naka-ano pa ako kasi I will be doing my skincare routine habang i-share ko yung personal experience ko kung paano ang isang Pakistani nagsasabi ng I love you without even saying I love you talaga. Though, my husband is very vocal when it comes to saying I love you. So, sa likod nyo, makikita nyo yung mga paraphernalia ko. Hindi, joke lang. Mga ano ko yan, skincare. So, this is the Milk Toner by Anua. Anyway, this is not about skincare video. This is about how your Pakistani boyfriend or partner says, I love you without even saying it. So, for my case, yung husband ko, ever since naman is very vocal naman siya magsabi ng I love you. Every single day, nagsasabi na I love you every morning, every time na, kunwari, in the middle of the day. Siyempre, we all have our own different lives, diba? Kasi LDR kami. So, sa daytime, especially like in the morning time, sobrang busy talaga sa work. Especially siya, ako kasi work from home ako, so I don't have to really go through with all those office work. So, yun. And I'm so blessed with the job that I have actually. Yung husband ko, yung ways of showing niya or saying I love you, aside from verbal, nag-show din siya when it comes to acts of service. For example, kapag magkasama kami, he served my, how do you call this? Yung love language niya actually is acts of service. Kapag magkasama kami, kunwari sa hugasan, dahil tamad ako nga maghugas ng pinggan, siya yung naghuhugas, siya yung nagliligpit. Tapos dahil tamad akong magplansya, siya nagpaplansya ng damit ko kapag aalis kami. Kasi ako, as much as possible sana, ayoko magsuot ng damit na kailangan plansyahin kasi nga tamad nga ako sa household chores. Tamad akong magplansya ng damit. Siya naman yung tipo ng lalaki na independent na siya ever since kasi he's working far from his home talaga. So, wala talagang nag-aasikaso ng mga needs niya, especially sa damit. Kasi yung uniform nila sa office is kailangan talaga plansyahin. And very vain siya when it comes sa damit niya. Ayaw niya ng lukot. Ako kasi, kung kaya naman ilabas kahit hindi kung kahit lukot siya konti, pero kaya pa naman, okay lang sa akin. Siya, hindi. So, may standard siya ng paano plansyahin yung damit niya, which is good kasi kung i-expect niya ako magplansya, I can do it for him. I mean, don't get me wrong ha. I still do, pero hindi siya yung parang nare-require niya ako na magplansya ng damit niya araw-araw because he knows how to do it anyway. So, that's one. By means of acts of service, in that manner, dahil ayaw, hindi naman dahil sa ayaw, dahil nasistress ako sa household chores, that's his one way of saying na mahal niya ako, pinapahalaga niya yung mental health ko. Mental health. Tama bang rason na wag gumawa ng gawaing bahay for, naman, diba? Kasi ako nga, as much as possible, alam niyo yung damit ko, sa totoo lang, nakahanger siya lahat. Kasi gusto ko pagka nilagay ko siya, pinatuyo ko siya, diretso na siya sa cabinet. Ayaw kong nagpa-plancha, ayaw kong nagtutupi, in short. So, sabi ko sa kanya, I don't want anything na magsistress magkakos ng mental health issues. So, siya, yung ginagawa niya yon is one way of telling or para iparamdam sa akin na he loves me. You know, by the means of acts of service, a guy will always tell you in a way na kung paano kanya sinaserve, kung paano kanya nire-respeto, kung paano yung communication niya sa'yo, kung how consistent he is when it comes to making you feel good. And yung wala kang doubt sa kung anong meron kayo, yun yung isa sa mga masasabi ko na he loves you without even telling you every single day. Kasi minsan superficial yung yung words lang. Minsan, may pa sabi nga nila, ano yun? actions speaks louder than the words or the voice. Kasi, totoo naman, kapag yung partner mo, he always talk about, or he always says, I love you, I miss you, pero yung actions is totally different dun sa sinasabi niya, that's something you really have to check. By the way, bago ako magtuloy-tuloy magsalita, I have to put another product, which is, I have to put this serum. Tingnan mo, kasi naka-black and white na yan. Aniwa din to, niacinamide serum. So, ladies, if you're looking for some skincare na kailangan nyo sa mga skin issues nyo, you can just check on these products. By the way, it's available from lifestyleincloud.com. That's my business. So, anyways. So, let's go back to our discussion here about how your Pakistani man says, I love you without saying it actually. So, siguro masasabi ko is yung commitment. When it comes to commitment, if he shows you commitment enough to be in the relationship with you or to be, kumbaga kung kaya niyang ipakita sa'yo na he will stick with the relationship despite of the ups and downs or yung mga challenges, especially for those long distance relationship kasi hindi madali ang magkaroon ng long distance relationship, especially for those couples out there who wants to meet up pero ang daming challenges. So kung magsistick siya dun sa pinag-uusapan niyo or he keeps on planning na one day we have to meet or we have to see each other, then that's one way of saying I love you without really saying it. You have to look for all these points to consider if your partner is really committed enough to be with you, or at least magkita man lang kayo kung saan man kayo dapat magkita na possible for both of you. Kung ikaw yung mas capable mag-travel more than him, because obviously their passport, sorry, not to offend the Pakistani people, but I know you guys know exactly that your passport is how can I say this? I mean, it's more weak. Kumbaga, compare sa Philippine passport na we can travel with so many countries na free yung visa. Ang dami nating countries na pwedeng puntahan compared sa mga Pakistani na very limited lang. That's reality anyway. So yun, we talk about the acts of service, the commitment, and siguro yung masasabi ko yung last would be yung, commitment, yung respect in a way na kaya niyang respetuhin yung in all aspect of the relationship, kung ano yung mga preference mo sa buhay, as long as it's aligned with the core values na meron siya at ikaw din, diba, towards the relationship. Respect is very important kasi kung you're in a Pakistani Muslim man, the religion is the biggest matter that you really have to discuss. Kung ikaw as a Christian na in love ka sa isang Pakistani man na Muslim, and siya din, I mean, who are we to judge, diba? Even I'm a Catholic Christian and my husband is a Muslim, and we're okay. We don't really fight at all when it comes to religion, cultural. So, wala kaming ganung mga hanash or mga drama. If your partner is able to respect your values, your belief, that is one way of saying I love you without really saying it. Aanhin mo ang isang lalaki kung maya-maya yung say ng I love you 24/7, pero kapag kunwari, may hindi lang siya nagustuhan sa paniniwala mo, he will block you, he will say mean things, or he will disrespect you, or mumurahin ka niya. So, better stick to a guy wherein he can show these three aspects of the relationship na masasabi mong mahal ka niya kahit na hindi niya sinasabi pa ulit-ulit sa'yo. 1 is the acts of service. 2 is commitment. 3 is respect. Very important yung tatlong ito when it comes to checking that when it comes to knowing your Pakistani boyfriend really loves you without even saying it. So mga ka-Dosti, thank you so much for watching again. I hope to see you on the next video, and please continue to support the channel so I can continue making this kind of video. By the way, I will be launching soon a website wherein I will be selling the digital products. You can find the Visa bundle there. You can find the Dating Pakistani 101. It's more of a tips. Everything would be available very, very soon. I want to help my co-Filipinas or even other ladies who's in the Pakistani relationship na makapunta ng Pakistan if you really want to. Yung mga tips on how to have a Pakistani partner, a Filipina partner, as much as possible, I would try to share the knowledge that I have. So, ayun, kailangan ko na tapusin ang skincare routine ko kasi hindi ko na siya natapos, kakadaldal ko. Mga kadosi, maraming salamat. By the way, my name is Ernst. If you're new to this channel, I hope to see you on the next video. And please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much mga kadosi. Bye-bye!